Public School is designed by George Allen Mansfield. Constructed in
Mahirap
1877.
mabasa dito kasi hindi maganda yung picture.
Yeah, itataas mo na. Pakita mo lang yung place. Pakita mo yung Baring Mall. Ayun, no? Pakita mo
Hindi
yung
makita, dapat. Ayan.
Yeah, mall yan. Yan yung likod na...
Hindi, ito yung harap. Ito yung actually yung harap.
Ayun ba yung harap?
Well, yeah,
Yeah,
supposed to be the... Hindi, actually, awan mo, ano to, like, ito yata ang supposed to be yung pinakaharap, pero, syempre, isa na lang lagi may ano, kumain. Yan. Ito yung pinaka, di ba, like, this is like an old building na.
Gamitin yung mga bricks, lalo kapag malamig.
Hindi luma na to. Hindi ito ginaano.
Sa mga bricks talaga.
Dating school ito. Ngayon,
Dating school ngayon, or na ito ngayon?
ewan ko, museum na yata. Or hindi na nila inaano. Ayan na yung door. Lumang door.
Yeah.
Yan siya. Tapos mayroon pa siyang ano, oh. Yan.
Kahit flooring, puro sa lamig. Yung mga...
Oh, yeah. Sa gabi. Nilagyan nila. Yung windows. Jason! Jason! This is just parang kung gusto mo mag-hang out lang, magpahinga.
Yeah.
Yeah, may mga trees yan para kung masyadong maaraw. Meron ano. Blacktown City Council. And that's Max Weber Library. Yan ang library namin. Yan ang supposed to be harap ng West Point or... I think they're supposed to be harap talaga, but I'm not too sure. Or dalawang harap niya.
Ito mo ito yung likod.
Likod ba? Ah, siguro yata. I don't know. Yan ang library. And I don't know kung pwede tayo mag-video sa loob, but...
Video ito lang.
Hindi yan. Yeah.
Okay, well... pauwi na kami kasi what time na
Where's the Blacktown Arts Center? I'm trying to look for it.
I need to go... What I need to see.
Why don't we go this way?
Post mo muna. Pila ako dito. Just post it. Post.
Okay.